So we've got some light waves here, and waves are sine and cosine curves, and it says which one has the longest period. All right, we have to remember that that's the amount of time it takes for one to happen. So one wave or cycle to happen. All right, I'm going to put cycle. The easiest way to do this is to find two, like the top of two, the high point of two of these graphs. So like there, and the other one happens like over here someplace, and find the distance between those two. The problem with this graph is you don't have any of that on there. All right, so what I'm going to have to do instead of that is I'm going to have to find a top and a bottom and then double the distance between those. All right, so there and there's a top and a bottom right there, and then there is a bottom and a top right there. And basically, whichever one has the farthest for that is going to have the longest period. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to write half period, A, B, C. All right, so A goes from 340 to 60. So 340 minus 60. And I'm looking at the x values for my black dots. All right, 340 and 60 are my x values for my black dots, which is 280. B, which is my red dots, is 180 and 400. So 400 minus 180 is 220. And then for C, it's 60 and 380, the orange dot, 60 and 380. So 380 minus 60 is 320. So that means that C has the longest period because the half period is the longest. So I'm going to write down C has the longest period because it has the longest half of a period. You can figure out the whole period if you wanted to, but I don't think there's any need to. I would just do it just like that.